Hi guys, I'm Spencer at Wheelie Awesome Adventures, and today we're going to take you on a room tour of the wheelchair accessible deluxe family veranda right here on the beautiful Disney Wish. Come join me on my Wheelie Awesome room tour. Alright everyone, welcome inside. Let me give you a quick tour of my room. As soon as you step in, you get a glimpse of this cozy queen-size bed. And let me tell you, there's plenty of space in here. There's tons of storage throughout, so you won't have to worry about packing light. Plus, there's ample room for activities. You can move around easily, which is key when you're traveling with the wheelchair. It's all about accessibility and comfort. The accessible bathroom is equipped with a roll-in shower, and all of the accessibility amenities are properly placed, so everything you need is within easy reach, whether you're using a shower or navigating around the space. Now check this out. I've got my decorations up, adding a bit of fun to the space, and even a fish extender hanger for my gift exchange and pixie dusting. It's those little touches that make the experience even more special. Now for mobility. I travel with my Hoyer lift, which makes me feel right at home. It's all about making sure I stay comfortable and safe while on vacation. The room comes with the configuration of a queen bed, a pull-down bed, and a single sofa bed, which means you've got plenty of sleeping options whether you're traveling solo or with a group. The best feature is the accessible balcony, a great place to privately enjoy the ocean breeze. And check this out. This is a non-alcoholic blue sparkling bottle we ordered from room service. It was a bit extra, but totally worth it. Here's the best part. Food through Disney's room service is complimentary, so you get 24-hour access to Mickey bars. How awesome is that? This room is perfect for wheelchair accessibility, from the accessible bathroom with plenty of space to maneuver to the ocean view veranda. It's all designed with comfort in mind. Honestly, this room really has it all. Now, if you want to experience this amazing room for yourself, give me a call. I can help you book your next Disney cruise and get you the best experience possible. I've got to say, the Disney services here are top-notch. From the accessibility to the 24-hour Mickey bars, it's all about making your vacation as smooth as possible. So if you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. If you have any questions, I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for joining me on this quick tour, and I'll see you in the next one.